Welcome, we are glad to have you here. Imagine sending your children to school in the morning, expecting them to return home safely after classes, only to discover that they have vanished without a trace after accepting a ride from someone they believed was trying to help them. That nightmare has become a painful reality in one family in Abia State after two young school pupils were allegedly adopted by a tricycle operator in what police describe as a carefully executed deception. The disturbing incident has sent shockwaves through the community and raised fresh concern about the safety of school children across Nigeria. According to Abia State Police Command, the incident happened in Unsulu community located in Isialangwa North local government area. Police have now confirmed that the case have officially been reported and investigations are actively underway. The shocking details reveal how what appeared to be an act of kindness quickly turned into every parent's worst nightmare. According to police, the children had just finished school and were making their way home when heavy rainfall began. Like many pupils caught in bad weather, they were looking for a way to avoid walking in the rain. At that moment, a tricycle operator, commonly known as keke rider, reportedly approached them and offered to give them a lift. Believing the man was simply helping them get home safely, the children accepted the offer. There was nothing to suggest that danger was waiting ahead. As the journey continued, the tricycle operator reportedly stopped along the road and claimed that his vehicle had run out of fuel. According to the police, he then produced a 1,000 naira note together with a small jerry can and handed them to the older children among the group. He instructed them to walk to a nearby filling station and purchase fuel for the tricycle. Trusting the driver, the older children accepted the money and hurried off to carry out the errand. However, when they returned only a few minutes later, they were met with the horrifying scene. The tricycle had disappeared. The driver was gone. Even more heartbreaking, the two younger children who had remained inside the tricycle had completely vanished. Police say neither the tricycle operator nor the missing children could be found anywhere. The older children immediately realized something was terribly wrong. The frightening discovery triggered panic within the community as family members desperately searched for the missing pupils. The matter was quickly reported to the divisional police officer in charge of the Isialangwa North Division. The Abia State Police Command has since confirmed that the detectives immediately opened an investigation into the disappearance. Police spokesperson DSP Maureen Chinaka explained that investigators are now working to identify and locate the tricycle operator responsible for the alleged adoption. Authorities are examining every available lead in the hope of finding the missing children as quick as possible. Meanwhile, anxiety continues to grow among residents. Community leaders have also confirmed the tragic developments. The chairman of the Umosu Development Association disclosed that the two missing pupils are members of the local communities and confirmed that despite ongoing efforts, they have not yet been found. Families remain devastated as every passing hour increases fear about the children's safety. The incidents have once again highlighted the growing needs for greater awareness regarding children's safety while traveling to and fro from school. Security experts have repeatedly advised parents to educate children about accepting riders from strangers, regardless of how friendly or helpful those individuals may appear. They also encourage school and communities to establish safer transportation arrangements, especially during adverse weather conditions where children may become more vulnerable. This latest case demonstrates how criminals can exploit moments of trust and compassion. A simple offer of shelter from the rain allegedly became the opportunity for a terrifying crime. Across Nigeria, parents continue to worry about increasing risks facing children both inside and outside the school environment. Kidnapping has become one of the country's most serious security challenges, affecting communities in both rural and urban areas. The alleged adoption of these young pupils have therefore sparked renewed concern among parents who fear similar incidents could happen elsewhere if greater precautions are not taken. The Abia State Police Command has assured the public that investigations remain active and that every available resource is being deployed to locate the missing children and identify the suspects. Authorities are also appealing to members of the public to provide any useful information that could assist investigators. Anyone who may have seen the tricycle, recognized the driver, or observed suspicious movement around the time of the incident is encouraged to immediately contact the nearest police station. As the search continues, an entire community waits anxiously, hoping for one outcome: that the two innocent children will be found alive and safely reunited with their families. For every parent watching this report, today's story serves as a painful reminder that dangers can sometimes hide behind what appears to be an act of kindness. Vigilance, awareness, and quick reporting of suspicious activity remain among the strongest tools available to help protect our children. We hope the missing pupils are located safely and that those responsible are brought to justice. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel so you never miss our latest updates. Most importantly, share this report because someone somewhere may hold information that could help you bring the children back home safely. I am Chimezirim Okoro, and thanks for watching.